Hey guys, it's Karen. I'm cooking. You're cooking with Karen. Again, I just thought, yeah, I should probably record this. So far, I browned some ground meat. I chopped up a couple of cloves of garlic in there, and now I chopped up some yellow onion. Letting that kind of saute. I don't know what this is going to be. We'll find out together. I'm going to put some tomato sauce in there. I think I'll add a bunch of like salt and pepper and maybe some spices right now. These are what I added. I had Himalayan pink salt in a grinder, black peppercorn grinder, and some oregano leaves. And yes, my washing machine is my countertop because I have a very small kitchen, and I think the cat wants to be in on the video, but I don't know where she just went. You heard her. I'm sure you did. So I was just stirring everything up, letting it all cook in there. Get the onions cooked real good. I'm gonna add tomato sauce and cheese. Just some tomato sauce, that's all it is. Probably more than one. It's just a little can. Actually, one can might be enough. I'm just gonna let that kind of simmer, let some of the extra juices maybe evaporate out of there. Yeah, that's just one can. I'm gonna taste it. Take a bite. That sounded pretty creepy. Yeah, I think I'll just throw some cheese in there. I got some Kraft Colby Jack, because why not? Yeah, that'll be fine. Just throw it in there. Cheese. Let that melt, and there you go. That, you know, you can make some vegetables to go with it. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Alright guys, I guess that's it. I don't know. Thank you for watching. Do all the things. And I'll see y'all soon.